Alright, my name's Isaac and I'm a recovering addict and alcoholic, and I'm gonna play some songs today. I've been sober now for 3 whole months. It's one accomplishment that you helped me with. The one thing that always tore us apart is the one thing that I won't touch again.
Thank you all for coming today. The DART team, Lincoln County's Drug and Alcohol Reduction Team, and that's a coalition that's made up of a number of different agencies and providers: NCADA, Preferred Family Health Care, Adult Probation and Parole, the Juvenile Justice Center, the narcotics team here in Lincoln County. Also have judges, and all 4 school districts are represented on that team. The mission of DART is to eradicate alcohol and drug abuse for our community.
One night after drinking, my brother decided to do heroin. That mistake cost him his life. And as a society, we need to come together, remove the stigma of addiction, and help the addicts before it's too late, and they're like my brother.
I'm sure everyone here has had their lives touched by addiction in some form, whether it's yourself struggling or somebody you know. It's out there whether we choose to see it or not. And we're not here today to judge anybody struggling with addiction, but we're here to help and to bring awareness to this. It's deadly, 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 and it doesn't have to end in death to take your life. As I look at everybody here today, I stand with pride and humility with my son to help bring awareness to this epidemic.
Good afternoon. I'm Leah Wamakaski and I'm your Lincoln County Prosecuting Attorney. Heroin is an epidemic that is ruining our state and killing our children. Some are asking and have asked me, well, what's the purpose of these heroin rallies? What are we doing them for? Well, I would say that the purpose is a call to each of us to look within ourselves and see what our strengths are and what our gifts are, so we can give back to the community and that we can use to help better the future of our children. But for our attention, but for our awareness, but for these rallies, and but for your proclamations, heroin will continue.
If I had one thing to say to my son, it would just be just how much I miss him and how much everybody misses him.
It means the world to me because I was once there and I still have a lot of family that is still stuck in that game. And just to see a community come together, because that's what we need to fight this, is a community coming together. So it just means a lot just to be able to be a part of it and just to know where I came from and to be asked to do this today is just amazing. So just if you can get involved because it's going to impact the community.
I stand in front of you today not only as a police officer but also a member of this community. We as a community cannot become numb to the deaths caused by heroin overdoses or drug overdoses. I've been tired of drugs for a very long time in our community. Myself and many others have made it a mission to make Lincoln County a very undesirable location to people who choose to violate drug laws. I would encourage anyone who has an issue with addiction or knows someone who does to contact one of the providers that are here today. Let this be the first step in getting your life or someone else's back on the right track.